If you've been searching for an affordable hunting property, you might consider this one that's for sale in Vernon County. Now, fair warning, the access to the property isn't for the faint of heart. It's got some pretty steep terrain, and currently there are no trails for ATV access. However, the lay of the land also makes it easy to figure out where those big driftless bucks are moving. Once you're on top, the ridge is flat. Several saddles and rock outcrops create well-defined funnels. Even though this is just 40 acres, the property connects to some big neighbors. And this area consistently produces trophy whitetails, abundant turkey, and is in close proximity to the renowned trout streams of southwest Wisconsin. The northern half of the property slopes down again from the ridgetop, and this side of the hill is much more gentle with bigger, mature trees. Along the very north edge, in the valley, is an intermittent stream. Reach out to us today so you don't miss your chance at this hill country hunting property.